Tips and tricks for taking the TOEFL test. About definition, structure expression, written expression, reading and listening expression. TOEFL definition. TOEFL or test of English as a foreign language is an exam designed to measure the English language skills of someone who is not a native English speaker. TOEFL test for main skills in English: mendengarkan listening, membaca reading, berbicara speaking, dan menulis writing.
Hello everyone, my name is Mufdatul Mukarramah. Here I will present or give tricks and tips for taking the TOEFL test well and correctly. Here are some special tips that you can apply to take the structure and written expression section of the TOEFL test. Number 1. Learn English sentence structure. English sentence structure is important to understand to work on this section. You can find information about English sentence structure in books, website, or learning apps. Number 2. Learn English grammar. English grammar is also important to understand to do this section. You can find information about English grammar in books, website, or learning apps. And then number 3, train yourself to find errors in sentence. Practice will help you improve your ability to spot errors in sentence. You can find exercise for spotting mistakes in sentence in books, website, or study apps. And then number 4, practice doing it question about structure and written expression regularly. You can find structure and written expression question in books, websites, or study application. And then number 5, make notes about the mistakes you make while working on the question. This will help you to remember these mistakes and avoid them in the future. And then number 6, practice answer structure and written expression question quickly. The structure and written expression sections have strict time limits, so it is important to practice time management. By applying the tips above, you will be better prepared to take the structure and written expression section of the TOEFL test. And written expression, pay attention to underline words of phrase and quickly spot errors. If you can immediately find the wrong part quickly, write the whole sentence. And then tips when doing TOEFL reading test question. Number 1, learn the forms of question that often appear. Number 2, check the question carefully. Number 3, utilize skimming and scanning reading techniques. Number 4, don't focus too much on difficult vocabulary. And number 5, get used to practicing question. And the last, tips and tricks for taking the TOEFL listening test. Number 1, focus on the second speaker. Number 2, pay attention to the answer choice which are synonyms. Number 3, avoid words that sound alike. Number 4, learn how to make inference from context. Number 5, familiarize yourself with sentences that have more than one nominal. And number 6, study the expression of agreement. Number 7, learn proverbs in English. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.